All this advancement and innovation and success of generative AI these days is largely dependent on the transformer architecture. This transformer architecture is sort of workhorse behind all of the successes in deep learning at the moment. A very simple way to construct a deep transformer architecture is by stacking multiple identical transformer blocks one after another in sequence. This paper, Simplifying Transformer Blocks by Bobby He and Thomas Hofmann, offers a simple design recipe for deep transformer to compose identical building blocks. Each block in the original transformer architecture, which is shown in this paper in detail, is more complicated and consists of many different components which needs to be combined in specific arrangements in order to achieve good performance. The base transformer block has changed very little since its inception, despite of the fact that almost all of the large language models are using it in one way or another. That is where this research is really groundbreaking because the researchers now targeting the very basics of this architecture and trying to optimize it. As per the abstract in the paper, the researchers are studying whether the standard transformer block can be simplified, or more specifically, they have probed the necessity of several block components, including skip connection, projection value matrices, sequential subblocks, and normalization layers. For each considered component, they have asked if it can be removed without loss of training speed, both in terms of pre-update step and runtime, and what architecture modifications need to be made to the transformer block in order to do so. The problem of simplifying transformer blocks without compromising training speed is an interesting research question for various reasons, and they have discussed it in the paper. I will drop the link to the paper and the abstract in video's description so that you can read more about it. So, in nutshell, this paper is simplifying transformer blocks by removing elements like skip connections without affecting training speeds, which result in resulting models, and those models are equally effective, even 15% faster, and use 15% fewer parameters than standard transformers. So really a groundbreaking research and explained in a very simple, lucid way. So really hats off to these researchers. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you already have read it, please share your thoughts on it, that if it is possible or if you agree with the researchers. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.